Hello viewers and welcome back if you've been here before. If not, welcome aboard. So this is a first for me on the channel as I'm giving away this awesome Atlas Pro Pack worth over £200. Thanks go out to Peak Electronics for providing this. Now, not only do we have this Atlas Pro Pack, but I have a discount code for everyone to use on the Peak website. I would certainly recommend that you check out the Peak Electronics website and have a look at what they do. They have lots of great gear, great test kit available. Links will be in the video description along with the discount code. It will get you 15% off their test gear until the 31st of January if you spend £30 or more. This has all come about when a month or so ago I passed a few odd items I had into the lab to Peak for them to play with, and in return they offered me some free stuff as a thank you. So rather than keeping it for myself, I thought I would just pass it on to one of my viewers. This Atlas Pro Pack is a combination of the LCR45 passive component meter. Also included is the DCA75 Pro, which is a trick semiconductor analyzer. You can even plug this thing into your PC and get plots and curves and data from transistors, MOSFETs, JFETs and the like. A very, very nice bit of kit. It's all complete here with all the test clips, software and the case. Now, to get your hands on this, it's very, very simple indeed. All you need to do is drop a comment into the comment section down below about how useful this Atlas Pro Pack would be for you. I will pick one lucky winner at random after 72 hours. Entries are open now until Friday the 11th of December, and I will arrange shipping to just about anywhere in the world at my own cost. Now, don't forget the discount code. It is valid all the way through to the 31st of January 2021. So good luck, and I will see you in a few days' time.